Hello Year 9. Today we are going to be bringing together all of our knowledge on the suffragists, the suffragettes and their work during World War I to be able to answer a question for an assessment. So today you're going to be showcasing all of your knowledge, and the really good thing about this type of learning is that you have the opportunity, if you wanted to look back through all of your lessons and even maybe watch some of the lessons again just to remind yourself of the kinds of things that you've been learning. The first thing I would like you to do today, please, is to unscramble the key words which you will be using for your assessment. So have a go, see if you can unscramble those words and then come back for the answers. Okay. These were the words that I asked you to unscramble. So what I would like you to do, please, is to self-assess these. I'm going to give you the answers. If you've got a different coloured pen, great. If not, that doesn't matter. Tick them if you got them correct, change them if you got them wrong, and add them if you didn't have them. So your first one is suffragists. Your second one is war effort, tactics, campaign, smashing windows, munitions factory, Emily Davison, writing letters, marches, and suffragettes. If you really wanted to challenge yourself on this one to help you with your planning for your assessment, you could also add a sentence to each one to say how it might link to the topic. So, this is your assessment. This is a question that you have seen over and over again. You should be pros now at answering this type of question. It says, the extreme actions of militants were the main reason why women gained suffrage in 1918. How far do you agree? Explain your answer. Now, in order to answer this question successfully, you are going to need to give specific detail and facts to support your opinion. You're going to need to talk about three things: the suffragists, the suffragettes, and World War I. You're going to need to link back to the question to explain the impact of each factor. You are going to need to give both sides of the argument, so things that agree with this statement and things that disagree with this statement. And finally, you're going to need to come to an overall conclusion. Now, I have linked a plan to this. I've recorded another video where I've planned out what I might include if I was answering this question. So if you are really savvy, you're going to go and watch that video and use that to help you to write your answer. What I've also got here are some possible sentence starters that you might like to use. Now, these are not essential. You don't have to use them, but it would give you a good structure to be able to answer the question and make sure that you meet all of the success criteria. So once you finish that, you're going to submit your essay answer to your teacher. That can be typed, it can be written, whatever works. That will be over Satchel 1 or via email, whatever works for you. And then we will be able to read those and give you some feedback on them. Good luck!